Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that resonates with all of us at different stages of our lives, the 4 stages of life. These aren't just phases, they are chapters in our journey, each offering unique opportunities for growth, transformation, and fulfillment. Each stage has its own rhythm, challenges, and rewards. Understanding these stages can help us navigate life more consciously, making the most of each phase and preparing us for what lies ahead. So whether you're looking to make the most of your current stage or curious about what might come next, keep watching. We'll explore each stage, sharing insights and practical tips to help you embrace the journey. Stage 1, the foundation stage, learning and exploration. This initial stage is often marked by a sense of wonder and a thirst for exploration. We are like sponges, soaking up experiences and learning about the world around us. Our primary focus is on laying the foundation for our future. The decisions we make and the lessons we learn during this time have a profound impact on the path we will tread later in life. Think of it as the seedling stage of a plant. Just as a tiny seed needs the right soil, water, and sunlight to grow, we too need nurturing experiences and guidance to develop. Our early environment, including our family, plays a crucial role in shaping who we become. The values instilled in us, the stories shared, and the love we receive form the bedrock of our character and outlook on life. Education takes center stage in this phase. It's not just about textbooks and exams, but about opening our minds to new ideas and equipping ourselves with the tools to understand and navigate the world. Teachers and mentors play a pivotal role, acting as guides who light the way and spark our curiosity. Friends also become an important part of our landscape, offering companionship and helping us develop our social skills. They are the companions with whom we share laughter, adventures, and our first heartbreaks. This stage is about asking questions, experimenting, and discovering our passions and potential. It's the time to explore various interests, be it music, art, sports, or academics. These early explorations can lay the groundwork for future pursuits and even shape our career choices. It's also a time for developing good habits that will serve us well throughout our lives. These can include regular reading, staying physically active, and engaging in thoughtful discussions. As we progress through this stage, we start to develop our identities. We begin to ask, who am I? What do I believe in? What is my purpose? While we may not have all the answers yet, this self-discovery journey is an essential step towards becoming our best selves. Stage 2, the growth stage, challenges, and self-reliance. As we move into the second stage of life, we often find ourselves stepping out of our comfort zones. This phase is characterized by challenges designed to push us towards independence and maturity. It's like transitioning from the safety of a garden to the vast expanse of the open field where we are on our own, but the sun and rain are still there to nourish us if we know where to look. Adolescence and early adulthood are key parts of this stage. During these years, we face new academic challenges, the pressures of fitting in, and the excitement of newfound freedoms. We are navigating a complex world of emotions, hormones, and changing relationships. The support systems we've relied on in the previous stage may start to shift, giving us more space to forge our own path. At this point, we are building upon the foundation laid in the first stage. The knowledge we've acquired is now put to use as we solve problems, make decisions, and take responsibility for our actions. The lessons we learned in school extend beyond textbooks. We learn about life, relationships, and the importance of perseverance. Friendships also evolve during this stage. We may form close bonds with those who share similar interests, goals, or who simply understand us better. These friendships can be a source of strength, offering a listening ear, a helping hand, or a shoulder to lean on during tough times. We might also start forming romantic relationships which teach us about love, intimacy, and communication. Our personal growth during this stage is evident in how we handle challenges. We become more self-aware, learning to manage our emotions, set boundaries, and solve problems independently. The setbacks we encounter are not seen as failures, but as opportunities for learning and growth. We develop resilience, a quality that will prove invaluable in the years to come. This is the stage where many of us venture into higher education or vocational training. We expand our knowledge, hone our skills, and prepare for the roles we aspire to in the future. Whether it's a technical field, the arts, or academics, this investment in ourselves pays dividends, setting us up for success in our chosen paths. Stage 3, the consolidation stage, building and sharing. The third stage of life is often when we reach a place of greater stability and consolidation. It's the stage where we build upon the growth and self-reliance achieved in the previous stage. Think of it as the stage of planting and harvesting. We are now equipped with knowledge and skills ready to be applied and shared. This phase typically covers our mid-adulthood years, a time when many of us have established careers, formed deep relationships, and possibly started families of our own. Our responsibilities are more significant, requiring careful planning and management. However, these responsibilities also bring a sense of fulfillment and purpose. Our career choices often become a central focus during this stage. Many of us are now full-fledged professionals, contributing our skills and expertise to our fields. Success in our careers brings financial stability and a sense of accomplishment. It's also common for us to take on leadership roles, sharing our knowledge and guiding others. Our personal lives are also rich during this stage. We invest our time and energy into our relationships, nurturing them to ensure their growth and strength. This could mean regular date nights with our partners, quality time with our children, or supporting our parents in their later years. Friendships also continue to be important, providing a network of support and shared experiences. Community involvement often becomes more significant in this stage. Many of us feel a sense of duty to give back, volunteering our time and resources to causes we care about. This could include supporting local charities, mentoring youth, or participating in local politics. During this stage, we are at a point where we can reflect on our journey so far. We can assess our choices, celebrate our achievements, and learn from any mistakes. This period of life is not without its challenges. It's not uncommon to experience the stress of juggling multiple responsibilities, facing health issues, or caring for aging parents. However, these challenges also present opportunities for growth, teaching us patience, empathy, and the importance of balance. Stage 4, the wisdom stage, reflection and legacy. The final stage of life is often referred to as the wisdom stage. It's a time when we've reached a place of fulfillment and reflection, much like the autumn season where the focus shifts from growth to the beauty of what has been cultivated. This stage typically begins in our later years, allowing us to look back on a life well lived. It's important to note that the transition between these stages is not abrupt. There's often an overlap, and each stage leaves its mark on our journey, informing and enriching the next. For instance, the challenges of the growth stage can lead to the wisdom and stability of the consolidation stage. By the time we reach this stage, we have likely accumulated a wealth of experiences, knowledge, and stories. Our life becomes a tapestry woven with the threads of our career achievements, personal relationships, joys, and challenges overcome. This vast reservoir of experiences allows us to offer unique perspectives and insights to those around us. In our later years, we often seek to share our wisdom, guiding and mentoring younger generations. It could be through sharing our career expertise, offering advice to younger members of our family, or simply being a supportive and loving grandparent. This sharing of wisdom becomes a way to give back, ensuring that our experiences and lessons learned are not forgotten. Health considerations become more important in this stage. We may face our own health issues or care for a sick partner, underscoring the importance of preventive measures taken in earlier stages. This can also be a time of slowing down, allowing us to savor the simple pleasures in life, spending time with loved ones, pursuing hobbies, or traveling. The final stage of life is about finding joy in the journey, appreciating the beauty of each moment, and recognizing the richness of a life fully lived. It's about reflecting on our journey with gratitude, knowing that we have made a difference and that our life's work has contributed to the world in some way. While we may not be able to change the fact that we're getting older, we can embrace this stage with positivity. We can stay active, both physically and mentally, maintain strong social connections, and find meaning in sharing our wisdom with younger generations. As we conclude our discussion on the 4 stages of life, remember that while these stages provide a framework, each of our journeys is unique. Some of us may experience these stages in a traditional linear fashion, while others may have paths that are more winding. Some may have the privilege of enjoying each stage for an extended period, while others may navigate them more rapidly. The key is to embrace each stage for what it offers, learning, growing, and adapting along the way. If you found this video insightful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Your engagement helps us continue creating valuable content. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing to stay updated on our latest videos. Thank you for joining us on this journey of self-discovery and growth. Until next time, keep embracing the chapters of your unique story.